The mine sport of draft continues to expand on national and international level. This year, the Kòrsou Draft Federation is celebrating its 55th anniversary. Our draft program has been proactive this year, which we are very pleased with. This has indeed raised the profile of the sport in our community. By participating in mine sport, we learn how imperative it is to support and embrace each other, just like how one piece on the board needs to collaborate and work together to succeed. Together, we are stronger. Together, we all grow and win. This is the most significant reason why draft have to become an integral part of our community and life. The FMJD World Championship Veterans 2022, as well as all the other international sports events, provide an ideal opportunity to expose not only the mine sport of draft, but also our Dushi Kòrsou to this big world, global world. Veterans players present here played fantastically, and we're delighted to be here in Willemstad, Curaçao, which slowly but surely is becoming a draft paradise of this region. We are totally sure that you will be our most valuable ambassadors in the eyes of the other players yet to visit our Dushi Kòrsou. Let's hear it for those players. And also a thank you to all who have contributed to the preparation of the FMG Second World Championship Veterans, as well as all the participants and sponsors. Without your contribution, what we are doing here today will never ever be possible. My final words of gratitude for all the players that decided to be here today, and we sincerely hope that you intend to come back. Sincere thanks are extended to you all. Thank you very much.